Today, I'll take you on a tour of Shanghai Baiqiang Laundry Equipment Manufacturing Co., Ltd., from a first-person perspective. This is the company's main gate-to-stone lion stand on either side, looking quite imposing, right? Today we're visiting Area 1, Baiqiang's main production area. The total area of the main production area is approximately 14,000 square meters. This is the assembly area for four-station cloth spreading machines. This is the assembly area of the single-seat spread machine. This is the assembly area for high-speed folders. This is the finished product storage area. The finished products placed include washing machine, dryer, high-speed ironing machine, high-speed folding machine, etc., which are all to be shipped. This is the assembly area for towel folders. And this is also a finished product storage area. This device here is a lint collector. Here we go. This is the bare machine testing area for washer-extractors. This is the assembly area for washer-extractors. These are the frames for ironers. This gear-driven one is an electrically heated ironer. This gear-driven one is an electrically heated ironer. This is a trough-type ironer. This is the warehouse, distributing various accessories. This is the dryer assembly area. This is an inclined dryer. This is a through-type dryer. There are also standard gas, steam, and electrically heated dryers. This dryer is currently running a test. This is an all-stainless steel dryer, which is generally used for hospital linen drying. This is another washer-extractor assembly area. This model here is a customized one for overseas clients. Here we go. Next, this is the cloth feeder assembly area. And then here is the folding machine assembly area, and here is the folding machine assembly area. These are standard folders, available in 3 types: single channel, double channel, and 4-channel. This side is the high-speed ironer assembly area. This unit here is almost fully assembled. This is the pillowcase ironer assembly area. Baiqiang has a total of 4 major production areas. In the next issue, I will take you to look number to Hulong factory. Follow us so you won't miss out.